In this video, I want to show you how to stop high data usage in Windows. If you are someone like me who hotspot your mobile data on your PC and you notice that the data consumption is so high, how do you stop the high data usage in Windows? So there are three basic things you need to do. Number one is to come to the Start icon and click on Settings. When the settings open, come to Privacy. Then look for Background App. Look for Background App. This is it. Background App. When you click on it, this will bring all the apps that run on background. These apps also consume your data when you connect to internet. So look through it and uncheck anyone that you know you don't need it to run background. For instance, this film and TV, I don't need it to run background, so I will turn it off. Then this gamer bar, I will turn it off. All the apps that you don't want to run background, turn them off, because as they are running background, they are consuming your data. So just go through, make sure that all those you don't want to run background, uncheck them or turn them off. Once you turn them off, you will notice that your data consumptions will be reduced. So this is the first way. The second method to reduce your data consumption is this. Let's close this. Then come back to Start and go back to Settings again. Then this time around, come to Network and Internet. Click on the Wi-Fi you are connected to. In my own case, I'm connected to my mobile phone, which I use as my hotspot. So this is it. If I click on it, you can see the data usage here. This is how the data consumption has been for a while. And you can see the apps that are consuming data here. Now, what to do? Let's go back. Come to Properties of that network. Click on Properties. When it opens, come to Meter Connection. Then check this to set meter connection. Once you turn it on, what it means is that if you set a data limit, Windows will set the meter connection settings for you to help you stay under your limits, such that only the page you open will be consuming data. So the third way of reducing your data consumption, let me close this and show you. Search for Windows. Here you will see Windows Updates. Windows Update. Click on it to open the Windows Update page. Now scroll down. Come to Advanced Options. Click on it. If update options are turned on, it means once you are connected to the internet, the updates, the Windows will be updating automatically. So make sure you turn off all these updates. In short, this is how to stop high data usage in Windows. Thank you for watching.